Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another class. Today, we're going to add on to our twist and turn series. Just need a mat, maybe some blocks for modification, but I'll meet you at the top to begin. Beginning at the top of our mats, we're going to bring the hands up and above head. Hands touch, and we stand up tall before exhaling, giving me a slight back bend. Let's do that 2 more times. Inhaling, arms go up, hands touch. Standing really tall out of those hips. And then exhaling behind us. Let's do that 1 more time before we swan dive on down. Hands come into prayer, and then we exhale as we swan dive, bending right over those knees, nose to knee. Inhaling, halfway lift on the shins or on the mat. And we exhale, grabbing the ankles again, bending the knees or straightening them, just trying to bring our chest, our nose as close as possible. Let's do that 2 more times. Inhaling, halfway lift. Exhaling, on down. Last time, and then we will step on back into a plank. Staying here straight before we exhale over to the right. Hands stay on the mat, hips are the only thing to move. Inhaling back to center. Let's move on to the left, exhaling. Holding your core very strong, warming up those sides. Inhaling back to center. Then we'll move through our first Chaturanga Dandasana. Knees, chest, chin. Inhaling, upward dog. Exhaling, downward dog. Staying here about 3 more breaths. Inhaling deeply. Exhaling deeply. Maybe engaging your Ujjayi breath here. Finding your way back into a plank, and then we'll bend the knees, exhaling to the heels. Inhale brings you up, exhale brings you back to the heels. Doing that 2 more times. Inhale up, really broadening through the chest. Exhale to the heels. Inhale last time, and then we'll exhale, dropping the right hand to the right heel, really trying to broaden through the chest and the side body. Last breath here, really trying to push out of the side body, lengthening with the breath. And we'll inhale to come out, exhale back down to the heels. Let's do that 3 more times before repeating on the left side. Last time, inhale, really broadening through the chest. Then exhale, left hand goes to left heel, or to a block, or to the back of the thigh, whichever is most comfortable and safe with breath for you. Finding your way into a forward fold, walking the hands on back, shaking those sides out. Then we'll inhale, halfway lift. Holding here, rolling those shoulders back and down. Exhale as we walk our hands over to the left. Really trying as much as possible to keep the hips pointing forward. Breath here. Exhale takes you out of it. Inhale, halfway lift. And then we'll exhale over to the right side, staying here a few breaths as well. And exhale takes you out of it. Inhale brings you back to center. Halfway lift. And then we'll roll ourselves on up to standing. Inhale, bringing the arms up and above head, really broadening through the chest. Then we'll swan dive on down to the mat, walking out into a downward dog. Exhaling into your downward dog. Inhaling to bring the right leg up, three-legged dog, squaring off those hips. Then we'll inhale. Exhale, bringing the right foot forward, left foot drops. Let's go ahead, bring those hands overhead. Really engaging the core here. Maybe bringing the back knee in a little bit. And then we'll open up to the right. The left hand goes forward, the right hand goes back. Let's do that 2 more times here. Again, inhaling, really broadening and strengthening through the center. And then opening as we look to the right. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, over to the right. Left hand forward, right hand back. Maybe challenging yourselves and trying to reach for the left heel with the right hand. Inhale brings you back up, falling on over that right leg, shaking out those inner thighs. Exhaling on back to seated. Let's stretch those thighs out, bringing the left foot behind us, right foot or right leg long. Then we'll inhale, exhaling, falling right in the middle. Maybe pointing the foot, flexing, flointing, whatever's comfortable and really allows that inner thigh to stretch. Taking another breath, trying to get a bit deeper before pushing yourselves on up. Inhaling, we're gonna fall over the leg now, working a little bit more on those twists. Left hand comes forward, right hand goes back. You can grab either the toes, the shin, the ankle, or maybe even cross the left hand over the right ankle. Taking one last yummy breath, and then we'll spiral those hands behind us, taking a very gentle twist. Inhale, back to center, both feet together. Let's cross those legs and meet me back in downward dog. We'll repeat this on the left side. Finding your alignment in downward dog, exhaling deeply into it. And we'll inhale, lifting up the left leg. Again, squaring those hips off. And then we'll exhale, bringing it to the chest, dropping the right foot behind us, left foot in front. Inhale brings you up, and then we'll exhale, right hand forward, left hand back. Really trying to make sure that knee is pointing over the second or third toe as well, engaging the core. Again, inhaling to center, exhaling, turning towards the left. Really trying to elongate or stretch forward the right hand and left hand behind. Last time here. Exhaling over to the left. And then again, taking that challenge, trying to bring the left hand to the right heel now. Inhale brings you back to center. And then we'll exhale on back, shaking out, stretching out those inner thighs. I am more than fatigued. Inhale, and then we'll exhale over the center. Again, option to point the foot, flex the foot, floint, whatever really gets the inner thigh stretched in a delicious way for you. Spending just another breath or two here. Walking yourselves on up, we'll face the left leg. Inhaling, arms go up and above. Exhaling, right hand goes to left ankle, shin, toes, wherever feels comfortable, while the left hand stretches behind us. Inhale to come on up. Let's take that quick and easy twist with our left hand coming to the right knee, right hand going behind us, exhaling as we do so. Unwinding yourselves, bringing both legs together. We'll cross those knees and find our way back into downward dog. Jumping to the center and then finding your way right into chair pose. Let's inhale, really broadening the chest. Exhale, swan diving on down. Then we'll drop the left foot behind us. Right foot comes out. Let's stretch out those sides for a final time here. Inhale brings you to center, arms go up and above. Exhale over the right leg, either bending the arm or straightening, whatever feels comfortable, but really exhaling and inhaling into that side body. Inhale takes you up and out of it, and we'll exhale over to our left side, broadening through. Then we'll bend into that left heel, crossing the left arm to the right foot. Exhale back over, then we'll inhale on to center. Let's do that on the other side. Go ahead, tuck those toes, push back into a downward dog. Again, we'll look forward, jump, hop, step, and then we'll come right on into a chair pose. Inhale, broadening through the chest. Exhale, swan dive on down. Let's go ahead, bring those hands down to the mat. Step the right foot back now. The left foot goes out, tucking that right foot back. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, let's fall over the left leg. Last breath, you're going to get a little bit deeper. And then we'll inhale on up, exhale over to the right. Let's swoop on down, bringing the right hand to the left foot. Exhaling, inhaling, bringing you back over to the right. And then we'll find our way back to center. Let's go ahead, exhale, pushing back to downward dog. And then we'll jump or find our way into seated. Let's shake out those sides, moving from side to side, and then taking a few body rolls to the right, and then to the left, 3, 2, and then last one here. Let's find our way onto our backs. Finish off with a yummy supine twist. Let's come into a figure 4 to begin. Starting on your forearms and then sliding your way on back. We'll flex the right foot, pulling in the left leg. And then we'll exhale, bringing the right foot over to the left side. Arms come to a T, gaze goes to the right. Enjoying these last few breaths in this very delicious and relaxing asana. Inhale brings you back to center. Let's switch sides. The left foot goes over right knee. And we'll flex that left foot, grabbing onto the back of the right leg. Inhale, exhale, left foot goes to the right side. Arms go to a T, gaze goes to the left. Option to keep the foot on the ground or place it on top of the knee. Again, staying here a few more breaths to finish. Inhale back to center. Then we'll bring those knees together and stretch them on out. Let's finish off with the Shavasana. Staying here a few breaths or a few minutes at least. But if this is the end of your practice for today, go ahead, find your way on up to seated. Let's finish off here. Thank you guys, as always, for flowing with me. Have an amazing day. Namaste.